when we see in market, the products are high in price. The service also very high.
Yeah.
So is it affordable to middle class?
Yes, sir. So if you see my product pricing, it is starting from 75,000. So if you go today in the market to buy a touchscreen phone, it starts from 75,000. All good brands like Oppo, Vivo, Redmi, and even Apple, they all start from 75,000 plus. So we want all the mobile users to buy our product. So we started our pricing of the product from 75,000, because it is the ideal. If a person can afford a mobile, can easily buy our product. This is commute. So it is his daily problem solution. He can go from one place to other, and the way he can communicate on mobile on this buying our scooter, he can commute anywhere in his city or any other cities, cross cities, and get his work done, and with the ease of mind. He does not have to take pressure to go to petrol pump, fuel the product, regularly get the product service in a petrol engine. You need to give regular service. Here our product is made in such a way that you don't need to get regular service. It is just the normal maintenance which is expected, and you can get the product every 6 months for a health checkup and the battery checkup, and it is very nominal charges, so it is very affordable. So our target audience is anybody whose household income is 15,000 rupees per month to endless, so they can use it. We have sold this product to a lot of corporates, big corporates. They are using it for their staff members. A lot of housewives who are using it, who does not have a license but have to go to pick up and drop his kids. So we have a product which does not require a license, which is a low speed product. It does not require a number plate, so they can easily finish their daily chores, buying vegetables, fruits, we are picking up kids from the school, dropping them to the tuition. We have bought this for and sold this to a lot of good security agencies who depute their security agencies in the good areas and communities with our scooter, so they can easily monitor and secure the society. It has got multiple uses and it is very economical. It just starts from 75,000 rupees.
You said that one product doesn't need registration. Is it specified to only that product or remaining other
So
products?
out of 4 products, currently we have launched 3 products which does not need registration. We have launched one product which needs registration. In future we'll come with one more product which will also need registration, and even the motorcycle which is coming up will also need registration. So there are 2 categories in Indian RTO where the speed has been decided by the Indian government, that a product which is launched below this speed can be sold without registration. It does not need a number plate, it does not need a license, it does not need a helmet, and the product with above that speed needs a registration, needs a license, and needs an helmet. So we have both the products to cater the Indian customers.
You're saying that one product doesn't need registration.
Yeah.
If anything illegal things happen on that product, how
Yeah.
can they file a complaint without
So
registration or by number plate?
it doesn't mean that it is not been monitored. The product has a unique chassis, unique registration book that we provide to the customer, so that product can be identified. It has also got the monitoring system. It has got GPS, so the product can be checked the where it is moving, and you can monitor the product. And also we give insurance with the product, so any you meet with an accident or anything happens, the product is covered under insurance. Even if it is stolen or anything, it is covered under insurance. So it is not that it does not have a registration, so it is out of all the benefit. It gets all the benefits.
మార్కెట్లో ఇన్ని లీడింగ్ కంపెనీస్ ఉండగా మీరు BU4 ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు?
సో బేసిక్గా ఏంటంటే BU4ని ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం అనేది ఎందుకంటే మెయిన్ యాజ్ ద ఓనర్ టోల్డ్ మెయిన్ సర్వీస్ సపోర్ట్ ఉంది. మీరు మిగతా ఏ బండికి వెళ్ళినా కూడా మీకు స్పేర్స్ దొరకపోవడం కానీ సర్వీస్ టైం టు టైం అవ్వకపోవడం కానీ మెయిన్ మేజర్ డ్రాబ్యాక్ అదే అవుతుంది. బట్ వెన్ యూ కమ్ టు BU4 వీ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ స్పేర్స్ రెడీ విత్ అస్. అంటే ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఉన్నా ఇన్స్టెంట్గా వీ రిపేర్ ఇట్. సో దెర్ ఈస్ నో డిలే ఫర్ ద క్లయింట్ ఆర్ నో సఫరింగ్. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద కంపెనీస్లో ఆ స్పేర్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ వస్తుంది, ఇది లేదండి టైం పడుతుందండి రావాలి అనేది. దాట్స్ మెయిన్. అండ్ మెయిన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ద విజన్ ఆఫ్ ద కంపెనీ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ గుడ్, దట్ మేడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా ప్రోడక్ట్ కాబట్టి మంచి మార్కెట్ ఉండబోతుంది రాబోయే టైంలో.
కస్టమర్ రెజల్యూషన్ టైము మీరు ఎన్ని డేస్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు మ్యాక్స్? అంటే బయట సినారీస్ చూసుకుంటే మనకి 15 days 20 days 1 month అలా తీసుకుంటారు కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్స్.
కస్టమర్ మాకు కాల్ చేయగానే ఇనీషియల్లీ విత్ ఇన్ 2 hours వీఆర్ సెండింగ్ ద పర్సన్ టు హిమ్ వేర్ ఎవర్ ద పర్సన్ ఈస్ కాలింగ్ ఫ్రమ్. సో యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ ద పర్సన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టోర్ అండ్ రెక్టిఫైయింగ్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ విత్ ఇన్ 24 hours వీ గోనా సార్ట్ అవుట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. So if there are any spares and all initially in within 24 hours we'll replace them as we are having complete stock with us. So rather than physical damage and all that gonna take time, but small repairs, any parts like wiring issue or anything that can be rectified there itself within 24 hours.
సో ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ వారంటీ ఇస్తున్నారు?
So we are giving 3 years battery warranty. Complete vehicle 3 years warranty. And that is also piece to piece replace if any damage is there.
సో మీ ప్రోడక్ట్ యొక్క స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటి? బయట ఈవీస్తో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే మీ ప్రోడక్ట్కి స్పెషల్ ఫీచర్స్
As
ఏంటి?
you can see, the designs and all those are completely different from the market. Those colors and models are completely like heritage and retro kind. So a comfort, a feel, customer will very happy. Chetak మీరు చూడొచ్చు, it's been completely vanished from the market. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనం 80s 90s వరకు చూసాం. సో ఈ మోడల్స్లో ఈవీలో మళ్ళీ అలాంటి పాత వెస్పా చేతక్ అండ్ కంప్లీట్ రెట్రో కైండ్ మోడల్స్లో సో కస్టమర్ గోనా లవ్ ద డిజైన్స్ మోడల్స్ అండ్ కలర్స్ ఆల్సో. సో కస్టమర్స్కి చాలా మల్టిపుల్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి లైక్.
ఓకే.
For coming here and to motivate the grand opening of first showroom of BU4 Auto, electric two-wheeler and motorcycles in Hyderabad. We hope to see a grand future and success from this store, and which will be followed by multiple stores in India. We are planning to have more presence in South, and then it will be followed by the presence in Delhi, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Gujarat. So after Hyderabad, we are planning to come up soon in Bangalore, and then in Delhi, and then Maharashtra, and then Gujarat. We make products which are very eco-friendly for the customers. We see this product as the future of tomorrow. We see this as all the customers using two-wheelers of petrol engines. They should be shifting to this new product, BU4 Auto. Like products that we have are Phoenix, Star, Shine, Dodo, and we are soon coming up with a motorcycle called Euron. These products will be priced at a level same or below the petrol engines. So it is more affordable and comfortable driving for all the Indian users. We are also planning to make vehicles in India and export them to other countries. Features like this product can be monitored by an application on your mobile. You can do geofencing of the product if somebody is using the product and you want him to be within a limited area. So if he crosses that area, you will get a text message and you can monitor the product. There are Rider 1, Rider 2 options where the product can be seen how a Rider 1 is driving, how a Rider 2 is driving. The best part of this product is that it is a per kilometer usage cost will be 30 paisa, and if you buy a petrol two-wheeler, it will cost nothing less than 2.5 rupees per kilometer. So it is very economical. People having solar in their house, it will be completely free for them, and we give 3 years warranty for the motor, controller and battery. We can further extend the warranty at additional cost. We will also give option in future to buy back the products. If the customer is willing to upgrade, we will give options to buy back the product after 3 years. And we also have finance and insurance option for these products. We will compete with all the major players in the market like Ola, iQube, TVS, Bajaj and other companies who are already present and are doing good numbers. We are planning to scale up from currently we are present in Hyderabad. Gradually we'll open 36 showrooms in India, and then we'll take it up to 100 plus showrooms by next financial year. And we are looking for a volume of more than 5,000 units per month. So this is the vision of the company. The price of the vehicle starts from 75,000 rupees and it goes till 1,10,000 rupees. And soon we'll launch the motorcycle which will be very competitive in price and which will have a good range in single charge. Our scooters get charged in less than 3 hours and give a range of 120 kilometers per hour, per charge. And we give 1000 battery charging cycle, so it is very convenient for people to charge it at their premises and at office spaces. It requires a 3 point uh, power plug point of 15 ampere and you can easily charge your vehicle. We have good service support to back the product and we have a good warranty timing also. There are 4 models. One is Dodo, one is Star, one is Shine, and one is Phoenix. Phoenix is a high-speed product, and it starts from 99,000. And Dodo, Star, Shine, and Dodo, Star, Shine are all below 1 lakh rupees. They start from 75,000 to 99,000.
Today we are having so many EV companies in market leading.
Yeah.
What makes your product more confident?
Basically, if you see all the EV have a challenge of service network. So we have created a service network first, and then we started selling the product. Before launching this product, we ourselves at our factory have made the products. In last 3 years, we have done R&D, and then we have sold the product to end users to 600 customers. After getting the feedback of these customers, we have made the changes in our product and then we started appointing dealers in India so that there is any issue we can address it beforehand. So our product after going to the market or on the road, they should not have any problems. Our customers should be happy and they should get as a repeat sales. And if you see a two-wheeler industry in India sells currently 18 lakh units per month, out of which only 1,30,000 sale is electric two-wheelers. Government today is supporting electric vehicles and solar. In 2030, government is estimating the total sale of electric two-wheelers will go till 70% with the support of subsidy and other things. So we have a larger scope to catch the market. If the sale is 18 lakhs, so we have a target of at least electric two-wheeler sales will go up to 12 lakh units. So we have a big space to capture. So currently the total sale with all the players put together is 1,30,000. So we can make our space easily in this segment and we can run faster and quickly try and achieve our goal of 5,000 units per month.
So many companies have failed their models.
Yeah.
What are we taking precautions of?
So if you see, majority people fail in the battery. So battery is they are more importing the battery from China, which are not compatible as per the Indian temperature, and at the end they burn because the Chinese temperature, all the places in China are not very hot. They are between 26 to 32 degrees. Our temperature starts from 40 plus degrees and it ends up till 48, 49 in a lot of places in India. So what we have done is that we have made the batteries in India only. It is made in India. Our complete product is made in India. Our battery is made in India. So we take care of the temperature. We have the cooling procedure in the battery and there is a certification called a law called AS 156 which is monitored by the government, and we make the battery according to the law of AS 156 so that the battery does not heat up. It has a cooling technology so the cases of fire does not happen. And we also have an indicator because our batteries are CAN enabled. So we also have indicator in some kind of situation mishap the battery gets heated, the driver will be informed advancedly that there is a problem in the battery. You immediately leave the vehicle and run away. So there are chances that if something happens at a very extreme condition, but the owner will be safe. So this is the technology that we are using in our company and our battery.
Roadside assisted facility available?
Yeah, we have tied up with the roadside assistance facility. Currently, our volume is limited to 250 units per month. So once we activate, we will activate the roadside assistance. Currently, all our vehicles are supported from the local dealer network only, but we already have a tie-up with roadside assistance service. It is single battery at the moment because average Indian running per electric scooter in India is not more than 40 kilometers. So our batteries are already powered to do 120 kilometers in single charge. So any user will get enough time to use it and then come back home or at office and charge it. So we don't feel that we should burden the cost by putting two batteries because the end user does not need a range more than 120 per day. So it is convenient. We have also supplied to last mile deliveries like Swiggy, Zomato and Zepto through our customers. So there also the need is their average range they want per day is around 100. So our scooters are doing good in that also. They are also not expecting dual batteries.
Store with the highest number of HNIs in the country. We're right now at second position. So I think it was a very strategic move of BU4 that they came to Hyderabad. And out of all the people, they found the best two partners in Hyderabad. That is Vineet and Mahesh. I mean, it's a very good sync. I've already seen them work as great business owners into multiple different industries. And today now they're getting into vehicles like electric vehicles. They already have experience in electric vehicles, so it's so amazing that they have decided to come into this. The location of this store is just amazing. It's like the heart of this city that they are here right now. The visibility of the store is amazing, so there's nobody in Hyderabad who can miss out on this location. So kudos to everything falling in place, from the strategy to the store to the owners. I was just asking Vineet that there's so many people in the city, in the country, who are doing electrical vehicles. Why did you choose BO4? And his answer was very simple. He said, because of the owners. After listening to him for last couple of minutes, I'm very sure that the company has thorough knowledge of what they're delivering. My favorite bike out of all is called Dodo. First of all, love the name, and second of all, does not need license, does not need registration. So I think that is one go-to bike for every woman who's just बच्चों को छोड़ना, cooking करना, on basic things in and out. I think it's one of the go-to bikes, Dodo. Very useful. Having one at home will always help. So love the entire concept. Good boot space to stuff all your belongings, and good lighting. I checked it all after that, I'm saying. So I think Dodo is my takeaway from today. And of course, the partnership of all of these people coming together is going to create real milestones in the business world. Thank you.